Hi, I'm Mariel from the Learning Lab, and today I'll talk to you about pages. You can very easily build your own pages in our LMS. You can also edit your own pages, and you can publish them and hide them as you need. This means you can use it for your landing page, for your dashboard page, but also for additional pages that you might want to link to in your LMS. Let's go have a look and see if we can help you build some cool pages for your learning management platform. So first of all, before I show you how it's done in the back office, I think it's important that you can see what you can actually achieve with your page builder. So here we have, for example, top banner, we have a text block, we have a promotional block that shows different courses, we have another text block, text and image with a link. And so it's really important to understand that these pages are made out of blocks, which we call widgets. And these widgets really allow you to easily build your own landing page, your own dashboard page, and other pages that you might want in the LMS, like for example, a prizes page or an explanation page or a special course description page. So you can really have a lot of freedom in terms of how you would like to then build up the page structure in your LMS. And we have widgets like testimonials that allow you to create different testimonials, both for logged in users and logged out users. So also for the landing page, you can have different blocks, as many as you want underneath each other. And of course, this is a promotion to log in, which you also can use on your landing page. So once you sign in, you also see that the dashboard page also has its own widgets. Here we, for example, see promotion. So here we see different courses, and we also then see different modules that are linked to that. And that's really important because you can then browse your courses here, flip through them, and also filter them, of course, by different classes. Here you have a banner image, which will be, of course, adapted from mobile. Here we have text and image again. And as you can see, we also have some additional blocks. Here, for example, is my learning path. So I can see that I have 2 active paths. I can also go to my learning path from here directly. And so what's very cool about these pages is that you can add widgets that are really linked through to the system and that can really allow the user to navigate very efficiently through the platform. So now that I've shown you a little bit how you can add videos, how you can add different sections, let's go have a look at the back office and see how we can edit these. So here we've logged into the back office, and all you need to do is you need to go to the pages section, and there you will see all your versions of different pages. You can of course preview them here. You can say preview, you can also set them to hidden, and you can edit them. You can also edit them by clicking on them. So here we see we go to the dashboard, and we have all the widgets that we just saw. So first of all, we have the promotion block, which really allows you to have a really nice background image and then promote different classes and courses on it. You can very easily edit this. You can also add buttons. You can edit the text color. You can manage the background image. And you can also, for each of these blocks, manage which audiences are allowed to see it. So if you do want to alter the view per audience, let's say some students can see everything, some things are for advanced students, then you can also filter that block to be only visible for advanced students if you have that as an audience group. You can have your banner, which you can then upload in desktop and phone image size as well to really allow for really optimal mobile viewing. You have the information banner, which is really about, this is image and text, as you can see. So this is the image and text widget. We have the discover widget, which allows you to link different modules or different courses that people can then discover. We have, again, an image and text module. And here you can always choose image to the right or image to the left. We then have the learning path module that we just saw, where you simply add learning, add it as a learning path module, and people will see what they see in terms of their learning paths. What it then allows you to also do is see if you want to switch the background. So here we have a very clean look, so it's just white background. But if we wanted a picture or another color, then we could add that here. Then we have the discover module again. And then we have the testimonials, which we just saw. And the testimonials are, again, very simple. It's just a matter of adding items here, editing existing items, and uploading an image and uploading some text. You can edit this in a way of just any standard text editor. So where you have smaller text, title text, you can also make it bold if you like. So this is really up to you how you wish to lay out your pages. Then, of course, we also have the video block, which again is very simple to use. You just upload a video. You can also replace the video here, and you can have a background image. Something that's very important to know is that you can always rearrange your items on the page. By simply dragging and dropping, you can reorder, and you can say, for example, I would like the learning path to be more to the top of the page. Then I can do that. I can also, of course, add new blocks, which you can find here. So you have the banner images, the testimonials, video, image and text, discover, the carousel. Then we have feature highlights where you can add different cards and you can add pictures and cards. You can also add a login promotion where you say, please log into the platform to discover more. And of course, which we just saw is the learning path. We also have dashboard highlights, which we just saw, which was on the top, where you have a nice background image, and then you can promote different courses and classes. You also can have content highlights, which is where you highlight different pieces of content, and you can have the promotion block and webinars. So the promotion block allows you to add a video or an image, and then also, if you wish, a button to link through to something. I hope this was useful in seeing how you can very easily update your pages. I'll quickly switch back here now to show that we've moved the learning path up. And as you can see now, this module has come to the top. So it's really very easy for you to build the pages in exactly the order that you wish, and you can always rearrange and also adapt the audience of the page as well.